Investing in the Nifty 50 through the Groww app can be a simple and accessible way to participate in the Indian stock market. Here's a guide. Create an account, download the Groww app, sign up and complete the necessary KYC process. Fund your account. Transfer funds into your Groww account using various payment methods. Search for Nifty 50 index funds. Within the app, search for Nifty 50 index funds. These funds aim to replicate the performance of the Nifty 50 index, which represents the top 50 companies listed on the National Stock Exchange of India. Choose a fund. Evaluate different Nifty 50 index funds available on Groww based on factors like expense ratio, historical performance, and fund manager's expertise. Invest. Once you've chosen a fund, specify the amount you want to invest and complete the transaction. You'll own units in the index fund, which will rise or fall in value based on the performance of the underlying Nifty 50 index. Monitor and manage. Keep an eye on your investment's performance through the Groww app. You can also add more funds or withdraw as needed. Long-term approach. Index funds like Nifty 50 are typically best suited for long-term investors due to their lower costs and aim to match market returns over time.